든 빈베기 럽두 넘버다 아든지 파마 넘버 상황 뜻을 쉬어이 아니 당보달라 이게 갈 수에나 가장 눈라들랑이 파마가 시기 내가 예쁘고 로드라고 민도 지단 로드 갈탑쇼 정도 아드네 인상에 가서 눈라들 갈수 있나 아니 로드 녀고 말해서 뒤워드는 아주 자기나 로이 수이 제가 가르나 예수와나 가당에 쉬어 디시 아시 나 지금도 송도 디디 아다랭아 꼬리시들이 자기 디디 j.wordpress okay .com 어떻게 요마다고나 양이 되게 그저 특징이요. 되든 두번 두번 개화실을 고지와 된다 놓쳐마서 아니 고지와 랑념 보이던 밖에 이렇게 다들 양아치 보통 왔어. 제 두번 두번 개화실 되게 덜루샤요 되나 레벨 와이스 다 두번 나올라 워크시트 치루샤요. 돼야 이미 로미어가야만 남발랭에서 드니마 띵기띵에서 보고 라 제주에나 펜도 전부 열서 뭐 놀러도 민주민요가 요 말. 휴직제 아니 지나가서 자기가 나를 게 망고치게 더 스마트. 게 망고치를 롭디 치던 반에 당가서 보고라 담과 망을 치어. 제 담과 망고 있던 반에 게 롭선 랍게 정말 따주르시 가서 망마 따주르시. 내 나로는 보고 기가 약속이 고수다서리 안될때 장원에 펜도 전부 열서 뭐도 아니 전중이 로차시나 전중이 게라 pomsum labor ke namge sigi ke pedon la che teninga kela ke yuso la khosum gitna 전중이 la mongodo adner 중이 dizo anyabado sirochi shuyi che okay now we'll start with what we learned or we are going to learn we'll continue with rational numbers before that we'll revise what we learned last week. We'll revise it. Okay. So with introduction of rational numbers introduction to rational numbers की definition जहाँ the rational numbers in number of the number power की चीज़ जो goal test go तब दूर number in the form of p upon q the p upon q the number in the form of numerator and denominator लागोता पूछे तब माचा युएगे ठंगास लागोता form of p upon q where p and q are integers to put integers rest and q is not equal to 0 number denominator should not be equal to 0 level to rest denominator 0 na mas value exact name in those chana this rational mares right denominator 0 member and number condition kya mares integer condition kya mares law denominator okay so rational number la parsum de ga to khar positive rational number 0 rational number and negative rational number so and 0 rational number if the numerator is 0 then rational numbers are 0 rational numbers. Positive rational number kana numerator and denominator having same sign. Numerator negative na denominator negative. Numerator positive na denominator positive badala ani positive rational numbers are. Okay, negative rational number na numerator and denominator have unlike sign. Sign lowani or if the numerator is negative then positive is so denominator is positive. If the numerator is positive then denominator is negative. Or tuzala and negative rational numbers start. And then we learned equal number lines on the rational numbers on the number line ata teaching me about the then we learned equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers maju khawa tawne equivalent rational number concept goes with this kala khar. You look at class 6 4 and 5 dina tena we thangja nalola jasung thangja le jar lot of meaning what ptc lot of ne jigsung thangja le yor ra thangja tidam mada imne ko 탕디 탕에 value 찍고 임버들라 아니 equivalent fraction line jar right 자sun 당자라 or 직sun 당자라 jar. So similarly over here rational numbers expression value expression in different expression layer but the values are same 임버들 equivalent rational numbers layer tidam mara ine tidam mara che ang mara to then pension we get half 2 upon 4 we get 3 upon 3 upon 4 okay 4 upon 8 okay 8 upon 16 this sama kare equivalent rational numbers and of course my lowest form tense na 당자 나로 lowest form jaura 1, 2. So common factor cut na so okay. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Sum of 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Cheaper da. 2. These types of an equivalent fraction there is. Equivalent fraction that equivalent fraction number to not cheaper da. Okay. The equivalent fraction number consists from chiturana. Either you multiply or divide. Multiplication if when you multiply same number to numerator and denominator. Divide, you divide numerator and denominator by same number, and we get equivalent fractions. Equivalent ration numbers. Equivalent ration numbers to 2, 10, 5 then here. You 2, 10, 5 ke tarang gyud ago mar. 2, 10, 5 gyud khare. Nga gyud lelo isa. Gyud. In kyuji 6, 7, 8 khare gyud kya ya mar. But you have to multiply 6 multiplication. You multiply numerator and denominator both by 6. Dibodo was equivalent ration number. Go ration jarda. The equivalent ration number we have to do standard form of ration number. Then divide that. The standard form of ration number correct na. You should the ration numbers. First step, you think about sign. If the given ration number is negative ration number, then negative sign should be on the numerator. The first part. If the positive is and then other than 1 slot. Numerator and denominator neither common factor 1 month of Shambhala chung Mariso. Penetration 2 upon 3. The conical go to number 1 month of Shamba Yamara or Della standard form there. Dancing it is negative 2 upon 3 to snap or negative sign numerator regulars. I said denominator shall go mares. Or conibara common factor 1 machine by male orders. This is a simplest form of ration number or standard form of ration numbers later. The ring as a topic the standard form of ration numbers. A standard form of ration number you have to understand how to find HCF. The HCF says langi medical ni dunda. Rather than basic shoe commerce. Okay. Now the goes is standard form level I'll revise ration number standard form ration number standard form ration give it a check to check whether the given number is a ration standard in the standard form or not. The first step you look at the sign. A negative sign should be on the numerator. Second, check whether the denominator and numerator have common sign or common factor or not. A common factor or common factor katna. Common factor the 1 mother shamba yoma. The numerator angi cut and some common factor 1 year but 1 chem melch korta. Okay. Okay. Example to express in the standard form. Okay, negative 16 upon negative 18 to stand. Okay. First step the numerator and denominator sign chipoda. And that means it's a positive ration. This is the numerator 1 multiplied by 16 and numerator denominator 1 negative 1 multiplied by 18 21. So numerator and denominator first step the common sign negative you cut it, we get 16 upon 18. Therefore, if the numerator and denominator same sign, it's a positive ration numbers. I use it. The sign that the simplest form is something. Get the money chedu tangjan jar. Oh, the daughter. lowest form of rational number fraction lega this is not this la mangu cut those two cut check then to that little SF zero method dig the digger SF first step you find SF of here 16 and 18 high HCF the highest common factor 전부들 common factor 가르고 있다 16 and 18 이걸 거든 common factor 가르대 2 is 16 2 9 is 18 그래서 또 군니가 가르고 있다고 됐다 군니가 common factor 원래 망하셔 뭐 도움이 된다 8 की factor कर ले 8 9 है ना 9 ला factors 9 multiply by 1 9 ला सिंपल करे 3 multiply by 3 8 ला 2 multiply by 4 और okay 8 multiply by 1 तेरेसा तो कौन कर दो 1 मतलब सिंपल कौन मिलता 9 दिनिकल मिंदु 3 की दिनिकल मिंदु दाशी 2 कहाँ दो अच्छे तो मिलता कौन फिर मिलता बा अंत जोर जितना काजू कौन फिर ऐसे पकड़ तना का करे से 8 upon 9 दूसरी से दो दे तो ऐसे से तो बनी दिगा प्राइम फैक्टर से क्या तो कल खाबू तो सम सुनानी मेथड टेक्निक करे ये सावस मेथड सावस लो ये तो ला you always find the difference between two numbers right first कोनी पर have up से क्या बार खाते दो उसमें 10 नंबर नहीं पर number 18 and 16 क्या बार खाते दो क्या बार दी you subtract the small number from the large number we get 2 or 2 also the difference digi number niga dua che to do 2 meter difference digi number niga dua che to da SCF is 2 difference digi number niga dua che to da now you find the factor of 2 a lela da calculation che lela ko ga lela che da na to 2 digi 8 ne dua che to 2 digi 16 ne dua che to da so che de 16 upon 18 na 2 dua che dala 2 dua SCF dua che so get 8 and 9 answer what is that so guess method dishing method was taking division to go there stand form of rational number so okay example number 9 okay telling a method niga to rather than technique niga to prime factors method concept take the prime factors the shortcut the discharger and prime factors machine shagyo mata injimation tabsila kad dunia tuni gewale ko tuni godini ko ta mutuni okay let's say dinner okay 36 upon negative 48 na 36 upon negative standard form the kare nge thangpodala negative sign the numerator shall if the given rational number is negative then you place the negative sign at the numerator now the denominator the pi case numerator pi shas what addition or you can write this over here kya this is numerator singorta okay now you find the common factor of highest common factor of 36 and 48. So 이게 다 뭐냐 prime factors 저 내가 같이 뭐이돼? 36 and 48. There's capture and what till okay. The first step number 니가 두어치 두 number 사. 니가 number 두어치 두 하고 2 더 because both numbers are even number. So divide by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 16. 2 2 4, 2 4 is 8. Again both numbers are even number. So you can have 2. 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 12. Again, that the order the even 2 draw tomorrow. Nigger draw to that 9 to 12, nigger draw to 2 9 draw to tomorrow. 2 9 draw to mother, and 2 is not a common factor of 9 and 12. That 2 the next number 3. 3 draw 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 draw to the so 12 3. 3 4 is 12. That 3 the 4 nigger draw to the number 1 member. 2 draw to there. 2 they draw to 2 they draw to mara. 3 they draw to 3 5 draw to mara. So they have no common factor other than 1. The dasha. That this is the simplest form. Hardo 3 the kanile do 36 le do negative 3 and 4 the kanile do 4 is key factor da 4 do shate. The gisi ngala prime factors say kala khabo ina. The difference is lot of na yo marta. Mixing a poach and pass lecture than a concept miss game. Now you find the difference between 48 and 36. Because 12. The 12 didn't go to the 12 cause 48. 12 4 are 48. 12 3 are 12 didn't go to and S is 12. The guess 12 dot 2 munda a 12 factors master 12 kare. Next factor shi 12 6 ra 6 ki dot 2 de. Ra kajina 12 1 12 2 6 3 4 ra. Okay 12 dot 2 munda next largest number 6 dot 6 factor. 6 ki factor munda and 3 so 4 and 2. To smart order. 당보다 difference 되게 아니 number 니가 도와줘 두고 되대. 도와줘 두고 믿으나? 아니 difference 되게 number 중앙하다 factor. difference 되게 factor 기 나오네. 12 number 다 비네. number factor 최신이와 같대. 알아. 아 최신이와 도와주나? 아 최신 숨바 같대. 또 smart order. 다는 12인가? I write over here. Negative 36 upon 48 divided by 12 divided by 12. It's negative 3 upon 4. 자, 디디. 그 마싱이라 그 페이지 좀 보자. 결국 프라임 팩터스 거기도 약간 하고 보이나? 콜 펜도 제체로. 안디 제 좋아하는 거. 셔트컷 펜도 치면나. 아니 디 메더디 나도 로도 나 메도 담바네. 내가 인포메이션 란테어 먼저 숙제디 데비치나라. 아 데비치 체어다. 오케이. 당연 third example. 네, 넘어 갔다 당연히 되겠나? Let's see. And yeah. Detail. Standard formula kalase. Standard formula first step la negative sign de kala kortas. The negative sign de numerator shares. Next you find the common factors. SF cells are 49 and 35. So nigal go to the odd number to odd number 3 2 2 me 3 2 the 3 35 2 me ta lela the angu 35 2 me number the 3 2 me. The next number the 5 2 the 5 they 2 5 they 2 the 7 7 and 7 5 35. So we have last that divide down my SF ninja share lesser 49 ki factor kardo last 7 da 7 and 35 last factor kardo 5 they do so as the same divide out the difference in 49 minus 35 is 7 or 7 divide to the she get it SF okay so divide da negative 72 upon 81 to try that. Come and check the wall. The money man was the showing out the chance of the money. Could ask the Lelo Chadu. Perfect and to is playing with numbers and Jara. Lelo Chadu. Okay. First, both are negative signs. So you cut negative. Cut positive sign. We get 72 upon 81. Now you find SCF 72 and 81. 72 and 81. Even number, odd number 2 draw 2 81. Now 3. 3 draw 2 dama doing an idom go. 3 9 the total sum 3 draw 2 ra. Gay got you go. Total sum 3 draw 3 draw 3 2 to 6 1 3 4 to 12 3 to 6 1 2 3 7 to 21 again 3 draw to the 3 3 8 to 24 3 9 to 81 so 21 27 the 8 the 9 par confirm you simply write 8 upon 9 this is the standard form of rational numbers the standard form of rational number they are equivalent kare division between the new tani negative okay 49 upon negative 35 and negative 7 upon 5 are equivalent rational numbers. And then you got 7 common factor 7 divide chortas. Then 72 upon 81 and 8 upon 9 are equivalent rational numbers. Division card then you come you got divide and 9 divide chortas. Confident. Okay, standard form what then the equivalent rational number now on the division page divide numerator and denominator by equal numbers same number or equal number. Okay, that is standard form is equivalent rational number. That is comparison of rational numbers. A comparison ration number de test. I'm just when ya I pay this getting the comparison ration number there. Comparison ration number the tampo the line will learn how to compare integers. Integers comparison china how to ascending order dignity negative 3 and opposite which is greater. Negative 3 chair, positive 3 chair. The positive ration integer or positive ration positive integer is greater than negative integer. And negative 3 and 0 0 is greater than all the negative ration integers. That the idea which is also ration number key. Ration number na negative 3 the ration number in the money 0 is greater than all the negative ration numbers. First step the comparison number. Okay, 0 is greater than negative ration numbers. Negative ration number numerator and denominator sign loga in badala negative ration numbers. That on the standard form you always write negative sign at the numerator. That is young water. Language the bunny. Develop a negative sign while quiz in language the bucket of Gankia. That the idea can't say 0 is less than positive ration numbers. Positive integers are and positive integers is greater than 0. Therefore, positive integers are greater than negative integers. Lesser than or less than positive ration numbers. Or negative ration number, the positive ration number new or task. For example, get to Sina. That can be checked. Negative ration number, the positive ration number, the negative ration number chair or task. That dashing it the Tamudina. Which is greater? 0 is greater than negative ration numbers. Right. That 0 is greater than negative ration number and 0 is less than positive ration numbers. That's clear. Then also idea color. Negative ration numbers in a cartu can be positive ration number in a cartu not yours. That's in clear. That didn't alone it among the positive ration negatives. This is when I get them there. Comparison between two ration number or to negative ration number or positive ration numbers. Or comparison between two negative ration numbers or positive ration numbers. Okay. First step la kadune denominator porte ta. Like ration numbers. Like fraction jamba. Like fraction number, denominator better like fraction number. Or the denominator is same. And larger numerator is greater here. Okay, larger numerator is greater. Let's short from the study. Okay, that is numerator chico in a court our numerator taskler. Numerator check you tangedi and chair task. Numerator chunga tangedi, a chunga task lower. Larger numerator is greater, but smaller numerator is smaller. Example in negative to negative need na. Over here the denominator is same. Denominator denominator you compare the numerators. The numerator is about the papa. Numerator negative 3 negative 5. Which is greater? Negative 3 5 chair, negative 3 chair. Then negative 3 the negative 5 is to bar Johnson the money. Number line some the number line 0 negative number. 3 negative 3 near, so negative 3 is greater than negative 5. It is about so negative 2 dale. Negative 2 is greater than negative 5 is you write over here. This is greater. Negative 2 upon 3 is greater than negative 5 upon 3. The positive upon 3. Over here 2 and 5, which is greater. That is this is great. Sorry, right over here. Denominator positive or negative rational number to somebody. Denominator denominator and numerator value check and check value chungadi chunga chat with us. The denominator denominator. I'll choose the try. Near the 2. Okay. Integers let out D to the two chairs. Okay, denominator here 1. Integers somewhat like denominator 1 year. Okay, the post then denominator those. Denominator 2D not chair das. And then the denominator those. Denominator negative 7 and negative 1 chairs. Negative 1 chairs. Right? So right over here. Then denominator those. Denominator negative 3 chair, negative 1 chairs. Negative 1 chairs. Then denominator those. Denominator and numerator compares. Numerator 2 chairs. What compares denominator comparison level da? Tak color. Denominator loga na kachigas. Denominator loga na kachigas da. 당연히 denominator 찍고 있는 현상이다. denominator 찍고 있는 뭐 numerator 체디 체자그래 denominator 버디. 그래서 numerator 중화에 하시는 버디. 중화체 numerator 체에 하시는 버디. 체자로다. 오케이. 다 denominator 찍으면 뭐나스. denominator 찍으면 가지고 있나? 스텝 당보더라. Make the denominator denominator by finding equivalent rational numbers. The equivalent rational number. Okay, equivalent rational numbers. Idea concept is done. Denominator okay, the denominator and then you compare the numerators. 난 numerator comparison 어때 친구라 denominator 찍고는 numerator 체외 장제디 so 디 rational number 디 체차래 numerator 중앙의 rational number 디 중앙차게 돼서 내가 그때 아이디 신대 비슷한 거. 당 가서 갈 denominator 찍고 간댔어. this step 태워. denominator 찍고 써야라 나 아이디 담부터 가래 equivalent rational numbers 내고 그랬어. equivalent of rational number of the given rational numbers. equivalent rational number 선이 가래 공부했으나 denominator 찍고 써야 나한테 가서 중다. for example 계승해 두시나 compare negative 3 upon 4 and negative 5 upon 6. First, the equivalent rational number several denominator it is compared to denominator denominator denominator. First step you try to find equivalent rational number negative 3 upon 4 and negative 5 upon 6. Equivalent rational number you find the LCM of two denominators. LCM of two denominators. LCM the prime factor mago ngi shiki durdi runda ngi der na 4 and 6 the s save the LCM bar kyo step ga 2 to the 4 2 3 dibu s save for the 6 ki s save har 2 cha de this is s save of 4 and 2 LCM ang sa ma 1 bad le chi ta dang de configure ka tang so da configure me na the number chung 2 do 2 1 2 2 3 do chi dong ma ra you copy this down now you divide by 3 okay number somehow kind of factor 1 but less something then we have factor how to say this one is now you multiply this 2 3 times 2 6 times 2 12 oh that denominator 12 less something 12 level need 3 upon 4 in the curriculum 12 liters 4 3 times denominator 3 multiply you multiply same number of here equivalent rational number multiply china numerator denominator ang chi kuching multiply chila okay and negative 5 upon 6 6 kazu 12 6 2 so 12 you multiply 2 over here negative 9 upon 12 that the idea fraction comparison chi kuching negative 10 upon 12 okay tanga denominator chi kuchar now you compare the numerators which is greater negative 9 or negative 10 negative 9 is greater than negative 10 so right negative 9 upon 12 is greater than negative 10 upon 12 then negative 9 upon 12 katyo fraction khari jire so right over here negative 3 upon 4 is greater than negative 10 upon 12 the fraction equivalent so right over here 5 upon 6 just 태워 가서 가 디테일 돼 스텝 디테일 돼 okay 그러면 찍으면은 찍고 쓰다가 태워 된다 I'll give you one more example okay comparison rational numbers in bang at din lola positive chiki dunda that's right 3.7 and the concept idea that make the concept single day tang machine tin wa dunda okay with machine you compare the denominators right LCM says LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 okay that 3 cosine 15 years 3 5 is 15 years denominator 5 multiply I'll multiply same number over here and 2 upon 5 5 cosine 15 years 5 3 so you multiply by 3 over here 35 upon 15 and 6 upon 15 that denominator which also and then compare the numerator 6 is less than 35 therefore 35 upon 15 is greater than 6 upon 15 and 35 upon 15 is equivalent rational number of 7 upon 3 and 6 upon 15 is equivalent rational number of 2 upon 5 okay tadi comparison of rational numbers that comparison of rational numbers is an ordering of rational numbers to order ordering of rational numbers keju thang ti twa cha ni ti choose ta order ascending order donation gushilo jugura descending order shen dura 아무도 try 다 idea thing 당벌려 저 integers da all three questions are integers in bakado negative integers are less than 0 and negative integers are less than positive rational numbers integers ra into but assigning the most 중시 당고체 때문에 제일 that amount this is negative so negative integer is smallest and then 0 is less than positive rational numbers and then 5 지부지게 때 이거 understand negative integers negative rational numbers are less than 0 and positive rational numbers in the negative rational number this is smallest then which is smaller 0 and positive 0 is smaller and then this is what the Gaumar, denominator when that you remember Tagumar, Catune out of Chile. That also correct negative ration number, the positive ration can gain, negative ration number, negative can gain, but positive post ration can gain, but then 11. First, we'll do the denominator when but do that. Okay, try that. Oh, this is you're asked to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order the parim order, Marija. Parim, Tango Masho, ya, Torto Zagra, or then she lowest value teacher, and then increase and last largest number to Leota. That is your denominator into the bar, Cartarse, numeric tarasa. Numeric nalone, very chungsho di, and chungsho rational did not chungsho a rational individual, so numeric chungsho a biggie, number rational body, are very chungsho. That in alone, negative 10, negative 9, negative 13, and negative 11. This is not chungsho. Negative 13 charura. So you write this first. This is smallest. And next card. Negative 10, negative 9, negative 11. This is smallest. Smallest not only. Then this. And then negative 9 upon 7. Okay, I'll write 4th over here. Then you positive thing da. Understand? Oh, denominator what that all the denominators have same. Denominators are same. All have 8. Denominator went ba. Now you compare the numerators. Numerator combination is chungsho hardo. 3, 5, 4, 1. Som nga shi chik down chungsho ti chikra. This rational number is smallest. Next hardo. Som da shi chera. Som di ngali chungora. So 3 upon 8. Shi di ngali chungora is 4 upon 8. And last 5 upon 8. That is negative ration 경계야 positive 경계를 해서 that negative positive that denominator 뭐가 있나? this combination 다 배는 게 특징이야. 들어. that denominator 뭐가? 이 denominator 뭐가 돼? 맞아 ration number sum 나오는 거다. the negative the positive 들어다. So negative ration number is smallest. And then 0 is greater than negative ration numbers. And 0 is less than positive ration numbers. See, gamma. Concept this much induce. Negative integer katune positive da 0 nyungar das. 0 de negative cheres positive le nyungares. Ideal is na rational number compare this amount lecture. Ta negative kyangya positive kyangya che denominator logaina and then you make the denominator same. First it was 지금 가르쳐 equivalent rational number ideal levels. Equivalent ideal number rational number 통은 denominator 지금 level you have to find LCM of all the denominators. LCM 내려봐게 and equivalent rational number 써다. Okay. Thank you to compare. This thing is Mongo domain, Positive. All the 3 rational numbers have different denominators. Into the money, you try to make the denominator same. Then if 5s are those improper, all like the proper social. Denominator 4, 2, and 8. LCM of denominator 4, 2 and 8 is 8. That's single that 8 there. Okay. That is 8 later. 4, 2 and 8 this key. Someone can do 2 times 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4 times. That didn't you got to 2 2 1 times copy 1, 2 2. And get 2 1. You multiply 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 as 8 layer. That 3 upon 4. 4 가족이 8, 4, 2. You multiply 2 over here. 1 upon 2, 2 가족이 8, 2, 4 times you 4. 7 upon 8, 8 가족이 8, 1 times you multiply by 1. And 1 teenage Martin Calvin. 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, and 7 upon 8. That numerator denominator was that numerator can choose. Numerator choose 4 is this rational number 4 upon 8 and 6 upon 8 as distinctly smaller as distinction in okay, start in it, the 4 upon 8 the equivalent correct equivalent rational number 4 upon 8 equivalent half you write half. Okay. 6 upon 8 correct equivalent 3 upon 4 or 7 upon 8 and you can't 7 over 8 7 this comparison on ordering of rational numbers. Okay. The comparison ordering divides are there. Now we'll do when do not divide the thing do not the sum over. The sum of the mark to the vegetarian sum of the homework. Okay. The rational numbers between two rational numbers. The rational number between two rational numbers set up madam word the in chicken that you will learn in class 9. Chicken this is simplest for they carry equal rational number ideal and over. Now the prime factors in the equivalent equivalent rational number idea of what chance called Leno Chadula. Okay, example gets it. Find three rational numbers between now or this down. 4 to number 4 much to here. Don't lose any or this now. Okay. First step the like is the cut seven equivalent rational number seola. First step the like is the denominator go say some. The denominator go seola need 3 upon 4 down. Negative 1 upon 2 kiswa. LCM of denominator 4 and 2 chatura. Sorry 4. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 and negative 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So negative 3 upon 4 and negative 2 upon 4. This is the negative 3 upon 4 the denominator which has denominator which is numerator integer negative to the negative 3 parallel integer yomar in number mungor in integer negative integer yomar negative 2 bakar na number and dustina 0 negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 the kuni par number integers yomar de in number mungo yorta ya okay that rational number mungo de that means integers dini par mean they increase up number and denominator par the kids connect pan it 3 rational number the 3 le manga angiki 6 7 8 the kin multiplication collect out yeah so increase it you multiply 5 is this part 5 multiplication chira 5 lela 10 euro or 10 multiply chenge dena negative 3 upon 4 multiply by 10 and denominator china chibuji equivalent la negative 2 upon 4 multiply by 10 you multiply by 10 negative 30 upon 40. The equivalent concept shares no upon 40. Equivalent rational number 3 negative 3 upon 4 and negative 30 upon 40 are equivalent rational. Where did you want that that denominator that 30 to 20 para negative 21, negative 22, negative 23, negative 24, negative 25, negative 26, negative 29, negative 28 mango you now na karta correct let's negative 21 upon 40. Negative 25 upon 40. The number on the shoulder. Negative 28 upon 40. Are three rational numbers between negative 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. The lower. The equivalent idea sense na. This our dollar yet about denominator was denominator was numerator integer numerator that denominator integer bar gap ang mango to eta. Because so go then you rational equivalent rational because ang check multiply. check multiply ch ta nang 10 ka yang 10 multiplication le law mas ko jab le lo shora jin bang 10 multiply ch ke 6 multiply ch 7 multiply 8 multiply na ba khari multiply ch ne ka number namni ga chigo multiply ch ta okay You can try that. Let's find two rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. This is first step denominator lower you find it, make the denominator same. Denominator equals LCM cell 2 the 3 LCM. You find the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM cause LCM 6 raso LCM 6 raso right. LCM 6 na 1 upon 2 2 cause 6 3 3 right, and 1 upon 3 3 times 2 6 you multiply over here. You multiply same number to the numerator and denominator. So you get 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Okay, over here we have the same denominator. Now you find integers between two numerators. Right. Over here 3 and 2 are integers. There's no integers between positive 2 and positive 3. Maybe the problem here 2 rational you must you may either equivalent rational and get mang part. So okay, I'll make 3 upon 6. Come on, which answer. Many would nearly mass on that. That's 3 months. Okay, 4 months. You multiply 4 over here. 2 upon 6, you multiply 4, you multiply by 4. We get 12 upon 24 and 8 upon 24. Oh, that 8 the 12 are 9, 10, 11. Sum not only Niki. 9 upon 24 and 10 upon 24. 3 kilna and 11 upon 24. Those matters. Rational number 7 money. The 2 lazang 2 tier. 3 na 3 rational. The 4 rational number machine man which you go much. Machine mado. Cut the tangat and dilly mangajing man bleches some da. I kiss a part of the route. Okay, so far we completed comparison rational number and to find rational numbers between two rational. Now we will do the rational number ngode chin bang yala thinking la so angi khari nyama mala angi khari ngode chin ya kada dela tomji thenji kyurji kyurji dima shiga marsta right angi tilu khar pe chane system number system khari introduce chene you have to learn addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. This is shimashi to so yamar this is jenge do da this is new chapter for class 7. We learned introduction of rational numbers, right? Now we'll do operation of rational numbers. Operation learned the 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First step we'll do division. So addition do that. And addition the tangja mani ma jangso ko concept chu puching right? And concept chu puching ade and dingal tangong yale reversing we learn addition of integers. Right? Addition of integers now. -3 plus 4 cause leaders. Negative 3 plus 4. First step, if two integers are different sign, you always write the sign of larger number and then subtract. Larger number plus number positive sign the case. And then subtract 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. This sign chiguenas. You write the common sign and add the two numbers. We get 7. Katini tada some mangata. Tadi direction but no ta. Okay, this is okay. The rational number will do introduce number line job ching dangi. Pension this na. Okay, 2 upon 3 multiplied by let's say 2. Number line division with the talelo angachida. Thinking number line chimena. Thank you na. Throw. Denominator 2 da 3 da 1 upon 3. Oh, the catch one. Near sign to this. Oh, posting it right over here. Oh, that counts to Musum Dalara. 1 upon 3. Keep you shalati. That's 3 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3. Okay, let's say 9 upon 3. This is numerator did not chip into 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Counter to Musum. Counter to Musum down. 아니 메다 딜레라 테페지 나라 다 1 2 upon 3 맞 되니 가서도 직 딜레사 직 때문이 귤러 first time 양야 본 2 upon 3 귤러 때문이 nga harlido 4 upon 3 이제 ting다 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 다 이게 솜귤나 솜귤 다 이게 지금 알고 있어서 솜들에서 is equal to 6 upon 3 다 이게 시귤나 시돔 tema 시돔 나라 multiplication is repeated addition of number 아 권님 권니 동구다 1 3 2 4 다 늦으면 해보다 늦으면 해보다 늦으면 해보다 다 그냥 가르돼 4 가져야 2 multiply 2 가져야 돼 addition is 이 multiplication conception 상에 같은 거 부터 들려 봐. 딱 해야면 multiplication 돼. 아, 되게 하면 돼. 또 네. 아, 건너. multiplication 도니. 내가 또 관계 dom긴다. dom면 찍고 dom면나. 아, 그것도 좀 당해. 내가 찍고 있는데도. 아니, 배트 더하기. 뜻으로 당한 참에 배트 투교지고 당해. 됐다. 제 라이프 프레시가 동다. 너무 나왔다. 2 upon 3 찍래서 영양을 2 upon 3 찍더마. 그래서 오케이. So get 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 equals to 4 upon 3. 당연히 안서 되니 2신다. 라. 저기 뜻이라면 돼. 4 upon 3는 바가도. denominator 안 되게 두스. numerator 니가 니도 나가 가려대. 싫어도 두스. 그래. 다 알이 듣네요. 대문이도 봐. 저 denominator 찍고 있는데 막 갈려네. 라. addition 와서 add the numerators. denominator 찍고 있는다. having same denominator. 또 처음 그때 근데 블라디 세계 대팅부터 라 오케이 same denominator 찍고 있나 아 당보들라 아 denominator 찍고 있지 아니 numerator 덤서 다 아이디 렌시다 됐잖아 denominator common is same is 아 numerator 니 덤서 니마 정제 찍고 fraction 덤사다 다 너면나 denominator common is 장시야 네가 numerator 가리 integers 또 들어간다 돼 4 minus negative 3 equals to 1. Negative 2 upon 7 plus negative 3 upon 7. 됐나? denominator 찍고 있는 you write common denominator and add the numerators. which is equal to 7 denominator 찍고 있어 negative 5. 콜렐라 더레이션. 오건의 example stud다. negative 7 upon 9 plus 3 upon 9. 됐나? denominator 찍고 this common sign denominator numerator 이 덤스 integer 가래 negative number 채도스 negative 7네 다 로간사 10 and 9 this is addition of rational numbers the addition of rational numbers 사회 질러 땅가 듬바시 해도 뭐서 안가 다 시작이 들어와 so we'll continue next week 라디마 topic 망고 쉬지 continue 마치 카메라 addition operation 시장 거는 뭐 동다 라 오케이 지나 듬바라 we revised this part and then we learned comparison of rational number and to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. A standard form the language method ni laver the prime factors method and difference method ni laver. At the operation now we only introduce addition of rational numbers. So we'll continue next week on the addition of rational number. Then four operation next week to continue chinda. Next week I complete saw chigidi. Drop it rimbo it by I choose chicken is a sago. That's all.